we call upon Jiko Laisharam.
As far as I know, this is the toughest fight for both of them. I mean, this is the toughest fight for each other.
Fight for each other, yeah.
Yeah.
We've got Jeko Laisharam now making his way into the cage. If you guys have not seen Jeko fight, please look him up. This kid is a phenom. Excellent striking, excellent wrestling, incredible submissions. He's only, what, like 18 years old? Yeah, he's a kid. He's basically a kid. And already at this age, he's a complete fighter.
As far as I've been told, that is exactly what I've been told about. He's a complete MMA fighter. He started out with MMA. He's been doing only MMA. He lives MMA, breathes MMA.
Yep. He's got skills in every facet of the fight. Like, you want to talk about standing, this kid is incredible, right? He's smart when he fights on the feet. Incredible wrestling, incredible ground game. I'm really excited for this fight, man. This is a true treat for mixed martial arts fans in India.
Yeah, for our audience watching, if you want to know who a prospect who you might see in the UFC might be, you're looking.
Yep, this is the guy.
Two of them.
This is the guy. These are the guys. Here he is, flanked by Roshan Mainam, who's one of the better coaches, better fighters in the country.
Roshan Mainam, known for his stint in ONE FC.
Yep.
Although Roshan himself is a bit more heavily based in wrestling.
Yep. All these Manipuri guys can wrestle, man. They all can grapple.
As we have seen tonight.
Yeah, as we've seen tonight. They're really good.
I actually don't want to speak anymore. I just want to.
Yeah, I just want to watch this fight. But of course, we've got to do our jobs here. This kid, Jeko, I remember his last fight. I called his last fight in Vishwa Fighting Championships. And he fought a guy at a higher weight class and basically just took him apart over the course of 2 rounds. Broke him down bit by bit until he finished him off with the nastiest body shot I've ever seen in Indian mixed martial arts.
Yeah, like these guys are 57.2 kgs. But don't be fooled. They might look small, they might look tiny, they will pick apart most 99.9% of humans in the world.
Break people, yeah.
They will be pulled apart by a guy who is like 57 kgs on the scale.
All right, now for the final instructions in the cage, we go to referee Andrew Kennedy. And now,
this flyweight bout is scheduled for 3 rounds of 5 minutes each. This fight is brought to you by Hello Meghalaya. In the blue corner, with a record of 2 wins and no losses, standing 5 feet 6 inches tall, weighing in at 57.2 kilograms, fighting out of Bidang MMA Guwahati, an international level MMA fighter representing Mizoram, Nazareth Lalthaswala. And in the red corner, with a record of 5 wins and no losses, standing 5 feet 6 inches tall, weighing in at 57.2 kilograms, fighting out of RMX MMA Manipur, known as the undisputed king of the flyweight division in India, Jiko Laisharam. Your referee for the bout, Andrew.
Honestly, David, I don't even want to do my job right now. I want to watch this particular fight. But the professionals we are, we'll give you the best commentary that we can.
I was searching for the words in my head just now because I know this is a big fight.
Seriously, what an incredible fight.
Huge fight.
All right, here we go. Final instructions already done by referee Andrew Kennedy. Jeko Laisharam taking on Nazareth Lalthaswala.
Again, Orthodox versus Southpaw opens up the open side.
You can see Jeko Laisharam stalking, throwing out some feints.
His guard's a bit tighter.
Yep. That was a nice heavy leg kick by Nazareth Lalthaswala.
And they both looking.
Ooh! That was a nice head kick.
Blocked. I mean, it didn't really get through, but then that could have been bad.
Yeah, that could have been bad.
And both with that lead arm fight, it's almost an invisible fight to most of us. Yeah.
Beautiful knee.
That was a great knee.
Nice takedown by Nazareth.
And
Jeko Laisharam just pops right back up.
I think Jeko might have the grappling advantage. Oh,
Beautiful takedown by Jeko, and there
great
he is,
trip, great trip.
landing some real
As the
punishment.
back,
Beautiful, another takedown.
amazing match return by Jeko.
He's got a nice body lock, looking to take the back. But Nazareth, tough as nails, like just looking for a way out. Beautiful takedown by Jeko.
Again.
But Nazareth scrambles to the front headlock position. Another knee up the midsection.
Again, this is going.
Both guys, beautiful. Oh, this kid is just on another level, man. Beautiful elbow again.
So Jeko clearly having a grappling advantage at this point.
Yep.
But he does. Oh, he's playing with Nazar just a bit. I don't.
A nice Superman punch from the top attempted, but blocked by Nazareth Laltazwala on the bottom now.
Nazar's a vet too, so he knows.
Yeah.
He knows how to hold his own.
Don't let that 2-0 record fool you. This guy has been fighting in the amateurs for years now.
A
If
stand
anything-
up by Andrew.
Yeah. Excellence. A beautiful right hand cracked him. But they go right up against the cage now.
If I was Nazar, I wouldn't be engaging with Jeko.
Yeah, I would not be trying to clinch with this kid, man. I'm trying to outstrike him from the distance, but even then, like, he's having a hard time.
Yeah, but Jeko is well rounded.
Oh, this is
A bad position.
excellent. Bad for Jeko now. Nazareth on top. Oh, nice elbow. Beautiful elbow by Nazareth Altazwala. Beautiful knee to the body as well. But Jeko Laishram right back up to his feet.
Oh, and I think that might have been.
Dude, this is not. These guys are going at it, man.
I felt that liver kick.
Oh, that gave me liver cirrhosis. Like, another nice kick by Jeko. Takedown attempt by Nazareth Laltazwala here. He gets him down for just about a second, but Jeko pops right back up. But
Yeah,
again, Nazareth
His
Laltazwala,
hips
relentless.
I mean, his hips are still out of it.
Yeah,
That-
relentless though. That knee to the body, man. I really like that knee to the body by Nazareth. Jeko Laishram stalking Nazareth Laltazwala here at the Shillong Cage Fighting Championships.
And again, this is a really high-paced fight.
This is an incredibly high-paced
But I
fight. both.
assume they will manage to keep this up
Yeah.
for a while.
Nice jab, but a nice return by right hand.
Big right hand by Jeko. Landed fairly clean.
This kid is 18 years old, man, but he fights so mature for his age.
So Nazar trying to keep some space,
Ooh.
throwing up some teeps, trying
That
to
was a
maintain
nice
some distance.
Yeah, that was a nice left hook by Nazareth Laltazwala.
They exchange kicks. Again with the teeps.
Oh, another
Oh.
nice body kick by Jeko after he took a couple of shots from Nazareth
Jeko just
Laltazwala.
barely missed with that right hook.
This is a true prospect fight, but he telegraphed that takedown from really far away. Jeko's got to look for separation here. He's going to get kneed in the head, which is what he does.
I think he's looking to back up.
He's looking to back
Nazar.
Nazareth up, which is really strange to see because Nazareth is usually the guy backing people up. Nice shot by Nazareth.
And completed.
And completed, gets Jeko down. But this kid is not going to be denied, yeah? Nazareth Laltazwala here in side control.
I wonder if he'll take some time off and breathe here and hold his position for a bit. Because the pace has been
Oh, the pace has
crazy.
been wild.
And the shots. And again, I'll tell you guys, if you could hear this live, those shots sound like gunshots.
10 seconds left. Jeko on the bottom.
Honestly, really hard round to score. I would give it to
difficult
Jeko
so.
because they both landed shots, but then Jeko generally got the better of the grappling exchanges.
Yeah, he got the better of the grappling exchanges, but Nazareth was not going to go down easy
No,
as well.
the shots they exchange, man. Especially that the liver kick from
I'm telling you,
Nazareth
I got
was
cirrhosis just from
bad.
watching that, yeah?
Was so bad.
I don't even drink and my liver is like taking a beating. My God. All right, we're back with the second round.
The first round was intense as heck.
It's incredible high-level MMA. And here we go, round 2. Jeko Laishram taking on Nazrat Laltazuala in a battle of the prospects.
So Nazrat kind of invested a bit on front kicks, or teeps to the body, and leg kicks. I wonder if that has dissuaded Jeko from entering.
That's a nice
What
hook
does it
kick.
look like?
Nice
That
leg
was a
kick
big
again.
Leg kick. Both so patient, both so measured. I mean, this is.
I think they're just both
Bro.
reading each other, man, because
Yeah,
they
yeah.
realize they're like, this is my toughest fight for both of them. I don't think they've ever faced opponents like each other here.
Yeah, man. And
Oh,
a
nice
good,
work
great
by Jeko.
reversal by
Yeah,
Jeko.
incredible reversal by Jeko. Here he is on top. Nazrat Laltazuala has got one butterfly hook and an overhook on his right hand, right arm. Jeko should be looking to drop some elbows right now here. A short elbow with the left hand
So if Jeko
would serve
can
him
get
really well.
if Jeko can get Nazrat's left knee out of the way, get into maybe at least half guard.
There,
He'll
that
have
was
some
the elbow I
space.
was looking for. He's got to look to create a bit of separation and land his shots here.
He did not get tightened.
Yeah. Beautiful work by Nazrat though. Small mistake by Jeko.
And
Oh,
big
these guys are
scramble.
insane, man.
Oh!
Jesus. What scrambles.
And Jeko ultimately gets the better of the scramble. He might
He's got him
be
in the front
looking
headlock.
At a,
They're right in front of us.
I don't know if he's looking for sub here. He's taking a breather, it looks like.
Yeah, taking a bit of a breather.
Oh! Nice wheel kick.
Shoosh. I'm on the edge of my seat, David. Seriously, this fight is giving me major vibes, man.
If I'm being honest, I'm comforting myself, touching my knees, man. I am tense.
It's a real intense contest. Both guys are like trying to push the pace as well. Jeko's a little bit more technical, but Nazrat is a bruiser, yeah?
Nazrat has been throwing, Nazrat's been throwing a lot of teeps to the body and he's been throwing a lot of kicks to the inside leg. So I think he might be setting up
For a head kick?
Yeah, a big head kick.
Yeah, a body kick or a head kick, right? Like,
Yeah. I mean, he already hit the liver kick earlier, but I mean, both buttons put you out, obviously.
oh, nice kick by
Nice
Nazrat
sequence.
Laltazuala.
And he separates again with the teep. See, that's some crazy Muay Thai.
That's another beautiful body kick.
And Nazrat shoots.
I think Jeko's striking is getting a little bit stifled by Nazrat's takedown attempts. Because he keeps trying to take him down. So, like, Jeko has to be really careful about striking. But again, his hips, man, this kid just pops up.
Yeah,
Every time he gets taken down, he just pops
He
straight
can't
back
be
up.
put down. He can't be kept down.
Like, you just look at him. He's not going to lose the exchanges.
Bit of a slip.
I'm telling you, Nazrat's pressure is crazy. Like, he's
Yeah, man.
just constantly throwing out strikes, putting out strikes.
So I might be speaking too soon, but I feel like it's catching up to Jeko. It just looks like. I mean, Jeko's still there, obviously, but
Yeah, he's still
starting to
there, of
walk
course.
him down slowly.
Yeah. Like, his striking is much cleaner than Nazrat's, of course. Like, that is there. But it's like Nazrat is
Just
the takedown
stifling
attempts.
everything.
Yeah, the takedown attempts are really stifling his striking. Both guys throwing. Oh, that was a nice head kick. Got him right in the temple. But this dude's chin is made out of granite,
That
man. Both
left
these
hook
guys, they're
again.
granite chins.
That left hook was pretty
I keep talking about the ability to absorb damage, and these guys can take the damage, yeah?
I would hate to be a judge. in this
Beautiful
situation.
uppercut. I honestly think those spinning kicks are taking a little bit out of Jeko.
Yeah, it's
but he
a
takes
big
Nazrat.
movement.
Yeah, but he takes Nazrat down
Yeah.
easily. I honestly think he should start trying to take Nazrat down and like